Hello guys! This is Angel, your WarayGirl. Di ka munta, January 26. Ang natabo. Di kang hanaiya. Pasakay pala kang plane. Hanggang sa nasa plane na ako. Right? Hanggang sa pag-landing ng plane. At nagkaupo na kami ni Eric. So, ito ng first day na ako nganhi. Kitaon ta ang mga sunod nga mga pangyayari. February, the most memorable day of my life. Then, kumadto kami Kauai. After that, March, Seattle! Kumita kami Space Needle. First time ko talaga maka-experience yung hagot. Oh, April? Akong birthday. Tapos by the end of the month, umatulon ako Maryland. Kay birthday akong mga amang kundi. Daming pagkain! Yo! Mga bata-base, no trouble. Megan Trainor! Nakita ko siya sa concert, right? The next day, nakatugya PR airport. Oh my God! First kami flight. June, kumanto kami Big Island, one of the main islands here in Hawaii. July, kumanto kami Maui to celebrate Eric's birthday. September, kumanto kami Pennsylvania to meet Eric's family. Kumatugip kami Ohio to see Queenie, my friend. And then, lastly, kumanto kami Ocean City, Maryland. One of my favorite places on earth. October, New York. October, diyan ginbunutan akong wisdom teeth.
Just done from the dentist and I had my wisdom teeth removed.
November? Thanksgiving! Luto-luto kong taloy. December, the most wonderful time of the year. Dito'y niya, Pennsylvania. Tapos iniliwat, Vegas, naging palabyog dito. Tapos iniliwat, Washington, kay adto nak mga kapwa taga Barrio Sirong. Hi guys, thank you for watching my vlog. Don't forget to click like, pusuan nyo ako, i-follow nyo ako, i-share ang video na to. So thank you so much and have a great day.